Alright, so today we're doing Eric's daily driver, and he had it washed at the local car wash so that we skipped that stage entirely. Now we're just gonna do the decontamination process, and hopefully his glacier white looks as white as my car. So first, we're gonna use this thing that I got from AutoZone, and it works pretty well. Alright, so we're doing the decontamination process. So you can see all the purple stuff are the iron contaminants embedded onto the car. Obviously this car didn't have any protection on it, otherwise we wouldn't have all of these stuck onto the paint like that. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit here for a few minutes and then spray it down, agitate it, and then we're good to go. And if you want to stalk him, this is his license plate. Alright, so we're done with the chemical decon, and as you can see, there are still a lot of contaminants stuck on the car. So what we're going to do is a mechanical decontamination using this, a microfiber clay towel thing from CarPro, and some CarPro Reset in there, using it as clay lubricant. And you're just going to wash it like you would a normal car and get all the stuff we didn't get from the chemical decon. So I'm gonna get this done and then pull it into the garage and start polishing. Alright, the car is fully decontaminated. There's no more protection on the car. The paint is pretty smooth. Once we get it polished, I guess you could kind of see the swirl marks coming out here, showing up. But, I mean, this car, it's not that bad. His sister owned it previously, so it does have some curb damage. Nothing we can do about that, but at least the paint will look good. Alright, here's what we're using today. Rupes yellow foam pad, Rupes LHR 15 Mark III, and Polish Angel Master Compound. Should clean it up pretty well with a one stage using Master Compound and Rupes Yellow, because this has the same exact paint as my RS6. So, knowing what I know about my car, this should work well. And also, Mr. Chuck, if you're watching this, I'm not doing this for business. I'm just helping a friend out. He's doing the interior, I'm doing the exterior. Also, if you're my neighbor that reports me all the time, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. I'm not gonna say anything. Man, the paint looks freaking perfect. Yeah, so that's the spot I just touched up. Completely flawless now, which is pretty crazy. This car's never been polished or fully detailed like this. But as you can see, I mean, the paint is in pretty solid condition to begin with. Now there's not that many swirl marks. There's a few here. So this crease gets dirty right here, and what you got to do is use a 3-inch and kind of just get in there. You can see it here, cleaned it up nicely. It's pretty spotless using the Merca 12-inch or 12 millimeter throw. It's really small and quiet. See? Cool stuff. And just wanted to make sure that you guys know that when you're polishing an area with a heavy crease like this, you got to be careful not to do it too long, because it's going to warm up the paint and you could potentially damage the paint. So just a heads up. So Eric said he's buying lunch and more people came out.
Yeah, no, it gets even worse.
And for the coating, we used CarPro C-Quartz 3.0, and yeah, it just came out amazing. Rodrigo is over here just making sure there's no high spots. I don't think I left any though. Oh, there, I think he saw something. But anyway, before I get distracted. So yeah, Eric said he was gonna buy lunch, and even more people showed up. It was only supposed to be me and him, and yeah, it was just a good time. It was funny how it all worked out. Haven't seen these dudes in a while, just because we're all adults. We've been so busy, so the times that we're all able to come together, it is so much fun. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.